Hi, happy Vlogmas Day 18. Okay, I know yesterday I said I was going to clean all upstairs, which I still am, but I don't think I'm going to vlog it. What I want to vlog is organizing my closet. I've been wanting to do this for so long. Especially the upper part, it's getting a little out of hand. Things are looking a little crazy up there. I want to go through my clothes and organize those, and Parker is constantly chaos storming my shoes, so it just needs a refresh. So I think what I'm going to do is pull absolutely everything out, wipe everything down, and just start fresh. So that's our big project for the day. Okay, the closet is completely empty. That actually went super quick. We are completely cleared out. And now what I think I'm going to do first is the clothes, just so I can get them all hung back up, because honestly, that's like the big giant pile that's blocking my organizational area. And I don't think there's a lot of decluttering to do because we don't have that many clothes in the first place. Like, that is me and Matt's clothes in its entirety. We have 2 drawers with pants. Like, he has a pants drawer, I have a pants drawer, and then our nightstands hold like our underwear and socks and stuff. So we don't really have a lot of clothes because I have made it a very big point in my life to keep decluttering. However, the issue that I'm running into now is that the clothes that I do have are all very sentimental because they came from like grandparents or other family members or whatever. So like, I'm never going to get rid of them even if I don't wear them. So I kind of have to work through that and figure out what I'm going to do. So we'll see what I can get rid of, but I doubt it will be very much. But let's hang up some clothes. Oh my gosh, I just filmed like a 5-minute clip of me talking and walking you through everything to realize it was in time-lapse mode and there's no sound. So, let me start from the top. It's organized. It doesn't look much different. All I really did was switch me and Matt's sides, but I did go through everything and make sure I wanted to keep everything there. And we have Matt's dress clothes, his long sleeves, his t-shirts, and then I have a section of flannels that are technically mine, but they're from my grandpa, so they're men's flannels, so I put them in between our clothes so Matt can use them if he wants. Then I have my sweatshirts and long sleeves, tank tops, crop t-shirts, regular t-shirts, oversized t-shirts, and then I have more long sleeves that are my grandpa's that I wear over things. And then I have sports t-shirts, pajamas, robes. That's what's going on in the closet. So organized. I don't have it really color-coded because there's too many sections to color code. But what I was saying before was that I am getting rid of 3 sweatshirts that I have a deep emotional attachment to. So I have this Iowa sweatshirt. I have this high school track sweatshirt that used to be my sister's, and then I have this college sweatshirt of mine. I do not wear these sweatshirts anymore. I tried to put them on and it's just not like I don't reach for them anymore, so there's no point in keeping them in my closet taking up space for no reason when we just don't have the space to have clothes we don't wear. So, what I do with clothes that I have an emotional attachment to is I have a quilt box with all the clothes that I'm like sentimentally attached to. So that way I'm not actually throwing them away. I will just, at an unannounced date, create a quilt with all of these pieces of clothing. Probably not till I'm 70, but this is how I am processing sentimental clothing because it's not helpful to me for it to be in here clogging up my space. But it's also far too difficult for me to actually get rid of these pieces of clothing. I don't know why it's such a hard thing for me, but this is how I'm dealing with that. So anyway, okay, now we can get onto organizing. Well, I'll probably put the shoes back first, so let's do that quick. Okay, shoes were super easy. I have 3 pairs of sandals. Well, I have 3 pairs of summer shoes. I've got my black flip-flops and then 2, a tan and then a silver pair of like dressier sandals and then water shoes back in the corner. Put those all back in the corner because obviously it's not summer right now. I don't need to worry about them. And then okay, I'm finally getting rid of my second to last pair of heels that I never wear. I kept them because they're black, but I literally never wear them and they're super uncomfortable. So I'm getting rid of these. So all I have are 1 pair of like nude blushy pink colored heels that I have that are decently comfortable. And then the rest are shoes that I wear. So I've got like these high-heeled tennis shoes type things that I wear. These are an emotional keep. They're my Batman Converse. I rarely wear them, but I have not brought myself to declutter them yet. Then I have my kickboxing shoes, tennis shoes, casual boots, and then slides. That's all I have. Oh, and then I have like my slipper shoes downstairs. I wear them downstairs all the time, so I keep them there. And then for Matt, he's got his dress shoes and his like dress boots. And then he has a pair of black tennis shoes and then work boots, which are, he's wearing one and one's downstairs. So we have very small amount of shoes, which I'm quite proud of. I used to have a crap load of shoes, and I just like every time I organize, I declutter more and more because the reality of the situation is I wear my slides all the time. I wear my slipper boots that are downstairs. I wear my tennis shoes depending on what like physical activity I'm doing. And then these boots if I'm doing anything that is going out that requires me slightly dressing up. So the reality is I don't need any more shoes than that because I don't do anything else. Like, why? I had so many pairs of heels. I had so many, and I literally never wear them because when I go out, I'm not gonna freaking put on heels anymore. I'm just not. Like, it doesn't make sense to me. I don't feel inclined. I don't like them. They're uncomfortable. Yeah, they make me feel cute, but like, it's not worth it. I can be cute in flat shoes. So anyway, that's my spiel on that. But okay, now clothes and shoes are handled. Let's organize the chaos that was the upper section of the closet. These hats. Usually what I do is I keep my hat in a bucket. However, I think that keeping my hats in this bucket is preventing me from wearing them because I don't see them and so I don't remember what I have. So I think what I want to do is make like, I'm either going to put them on the shelf over there or make a little wall display for my hats so that I can see them and enjoy them and wear them, you know, like this giant floppy hat. So that's my theory for right now. I'm going to keep the hats out of the bucket and find a way to display them so I can wear them. And like I said, most of these are mine. literally this entire pile is mine, and then Matt has 2 hats, so I'll ask him about his hats, but I suspect he'll want his out too. So we have this free bucket, and I've been needing a bucket downstairs for Parker's phone letters, so I might use this as a toy related thing, which might happen with the other one too, because this is sentimental stuff. Like, I put all of our random sentimental stuff in these baggies, and we have boxes for sentimental stuff, so those just need to get put away in there. I like to keep fanny packs because when I hike, I like having these as my like pouch for things, so fanny packs are actually useful. I keep this this little fancy purse for the random, it's like why I have 1 pair of heels. If I have a wedding I have to go to, nice to have a tiny purse on hand. I decided to get rid of the other one. I don't need to. One is perfectly sufficient for the once a year that maybe I need one of these. So, but if I'm getting rid of both of these, where am I gonna store these? That's the question. Matt has a belt. I can hang that up in the closet. These are suspenders. I can hang these in the closet too on a hanger. Bedding. Bedding is a problem for me. I really like bedding. However, I don't use them, and I keep hanging on to them for no reason. Like, I hang on to this one, these Hogwarts sheets, because Matt got these for me. I don't know what to do. I never put them on our bed, but I should. Okay, this is bad, I know. I'm going to keep these because I really do think that I'll use them. This one, however, I'm ready to let go of. They're scratchy and uncomfortable. I never use this. I'm getting rid of those. Easy, done. This is a duvet cover that I do use, so we'll keep that. We use these sheets. I just use these flannel reindeer sheets, but this is stupid too. Parker doesn't like sleeping on them, and in the morning I bring her in here when she wakes up, and I like to try and get her to go back to sleep for a little longer, and she won't on the flannels. No, I'm going to keep them. I like them. Sorry, Parker. I like them. And then we also use these. So technically we have the sheets that are on the bed right now, which are my favorite. They're bamboo sheets. I absolutely love them. Then I have this one, this one, this one, and this one. So that's 5 pairs of sheets. Is that too much? But this one is only seasonal. It's flannel, so I only use it like right now. It's fine. I'm keeping them. It's justifications. Do I need the orange ones? No, I don't. Am I ready to get rid of the orange ones? No, I'm not. Nope, I'm keeping 4 sets of sheets. That's what it is. I have a problem. I acknowledge it. I'm keeping them. Okay. Pillowcases galore. Bedding sorted. This needs to go into my maternity stuff because this is like my postpartum like wrap cincher thing. So that just needs to go somewhere else. Same with this pile of clothes. These are Matt's skinny boy clothes. So I will put these with my skinny girl clothes, which are under the bed. So I can't give him shit for holding on to smaller clothes because we all have dreams and goals. So I will just fold these up and put these in the skinny queen section. What is this? Oh, this is supposed to be like a posture strap, like it's supposed to hold your shoulders back. I got it for Matt, but he says it hurts him, so I'll put this with the suspenders. He can deal with that. Okay. Oh, Parker's awake. Let's go get the bean.
Ooh, she's awake. Gosh, you're dang adorable. You just is. I love you. Mucha, 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 mucha.
Okay, so I think what we're going to do now is I'm going to try and set you up and time lapse through this gigantic mess I've made because we pretty much walked through everything. Now it's just a matter of organization. So, hopefully I can entertain the bean and organize at the same time. That is always the struggle. He's so cute. Oh, I love you. Okay, let's get to it. Alrighty, I am officially done with this closet organization. I have a bunch of stuff I need to throw away, put in other places, whatever. But as far as everything that's going back in here, this is done. We've got our bedding. It's mostly just bedding up here now. We have a lamp in storage, which I could put it in the garage, but it's not hurting anybody in there. I don't need the space for anything else. So the lamp staying, we got our safes, I did decide to keep one of these buckets up here for random stuff. So I think in there we've got like the sentimental stuff is still in there. I put the fanny packs and the tiny purse in there, and we need to use our green screen, but usually I would just throw the green screen in there too. So anyway, oh, and I can put Matt's like suspenders and shoulder strap and belt and stuff in there too. So anyway, that's it. It's beautiful. It's done. I'm super pleased with how it turned out. So that's going to be that for this video. I have a little bean here. Hello, Miss Lady. Oh, hello. I love you. I love you. Are you having fun in my mess? Yeah, like I said, I have a bunch of stuff that I need to like organize and put in designated spots, but I will do that on my own time. Anyway, that is all I have for you guys today. I hope you enjoyed this organizational video. If you are new to the channel, definitely consider subscribing. I would love to have you. I really love decluttering and organizing, so I will keep on that train. There's plenty of stuff in this house to declutter and organize. So if you want to watch me go through the rest of my house, please subscribe. Yeah. And I do a lot of mom content too, so if you're down for that, join the channel.
Because she's so cute. You're my favorite. Yeah, I love you.
All right, guys. I will see you tomorrow. Bye.